Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix a suspended Neteller account and get it reactivated. If your account is suspended, it usually happens due to security reasons, policy violations, or unverified information. First, don't try to create a new account. Neteller may permanently block both. Instead, go to the Neteller login page and click Contact Us at the bottom. Choose Account Access Issues and explain that your account has been suspended. In your message, include your registered email, full name, and ID document for verification. If the suspension was due to identity or transaction issues, Neteller may ask you to resubmit your KYC documents or confirm recent activity. Once you've provided the requested details, their support team will review your case, typically within 24 to 72 hours. And that's it. Stay calm, respond quickly, and you'll have your Neteller account back up and running soon. Subscribe the channel for more videos.